Discover 20 innovative tools that will completely transform the way you tackle tasks. From everyday essentials to advanced gadgets, these ingenious creations are designed to make life easier, more efficient, and elevate your projects to the next level. Number 20. Wagner Spray Tech, a high-efficiency airless sprayer designed to apply coatings significantly faster than traditional rollers, making it perfect for large-scale projects. Its HEA, high-efficiency airless, technology reduces paint usage by up to 55% while also minimizing overspray. This not only makes the device more cost-effective, but also ensures a smoother, more controlled application. Constructed from durable yellow plastic, it features a generous 1.5-gallon tank, which reduces the need for constant refills during extended tasks. Capable of handling various liquids like paints, stains, and primers, the sprayer includes a 25-foot hose, giving you plenty of reach for most projects. Number 19. Recon T1 Digital Tape, a self-calibrating tool with impressive precision, offering an accuracy of less than 1/32 of an inch. If the tape wears or gets damaged, it can easily be replaced. Featuring a built-in electronic paper display, it can store up to 500 measurements, which can be organized, viewed, and deleted as needed. A green laser pointer extends from the front surface, helping you align and mark points with pinpoint accuracy. The T1 includes a quick menu that allows you to measure internal dimensions, make relative measurements, and find centers. You can easily switch between units such as inches, feet, millimeters, and centimeters. Plus, it can wirelessly connect to the Rock Job Site app, enabling you to share cut lists, annotations, and notes. Number 18. Ego Power Plus Nexus Portable Power Station. The Ego Power Plus Nexus is a clean, quiet, and battery-powered alternative to gas generators, offering impressive performance and longevity. It features a pure sine wave inverter that runs cooler and more efficiently, making it safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Customers can add up to 4 batteries, each with a capacity of up to 12 amp hours, providing a total reserve of up to 48 amp hours. In terms of power output, it delivers 2,000 watts continuously with a peak of 3,000 watts. Enough to run heavy-duty appliances like heaters, refrigerators, or washing machines. It includes 3 120-volt outlets and 4 USB ports for added convenience. The Nexus works with 1, 2, 3, or 4 Ego batteries of any size, in any combination, making it perfect for camping, tailgating, job sites, or during power outages. Number 17. Distance 7-in-1 Workbench. Distance 7-in-1 Workbench is a highly versatile tool that serves as a scaffold, universal platform, trolley, and car creeper all in one. Capable of supporting up to 150 kilograms, it comes in 2 adjustable heights, 52 centimeter and 80 centimeters, offering flexibility for various tasks. The tabletop is made from durable plastic, while the legs are crafted from lightweight aluminum, and the frame is constructed of sturdy steel. A built-in ruler and protractor add extra functionality, making it perfect for precise measurements and calculations. Number 16. Quick Drive. This tool will change the way you attach boards. With this system, you can work without bending over, thanks to its powerful 2,500 revolutions per minute DeWalt motor that drives screws faster than you can blink. It features advanced depth settings, allowing you to work with even the densest decking materials, ensuring that each screw is driven to the perfect depth. The system also includes a reversible and replaceable non-slip tip, allowing you to work on slippery surfaces with ease. It ensures screws are recessed evenly, even when fastening at an angle, which is crucial when working with wood to avoid splitting. Number 15. CPK Hybrid. The makers of the CPK Hybrid cable tie tool have seamlessly combined performance and convenience into one innovative product. If there's a 120-volt outlet nearby, you can simply plug it in. If not, the built-in battery with a 2 amp hour capacity can handle up to 8,000 ties on a single charge. But they didn't stop there. The CPK Hybrid can operate at an impressive speed of up to 92 ties per minute, significantly improving productivity. To save even more time during reloading, it features a reel that holds up to 5,000 ties, making it an essential tool for high-volume tasks in industries like construction, manufacturing, or automotive. Number 14. Hedge Trimmer. The Makita cordless brush cutter features a 24-inch blade and weighs just 5.95 pounds, making it both lightweight and efficient for tackling vegetation. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, it offers eco-friendly zero-emission operation and low noise levels. The brushless motor runs at 4,000 revolutions per minute, delivering 50% more efficiency compared to standard models. Designed in a classic turquoise color with the Makita logo, it can cut branches up to 3/4 inch thick. While the tool does not come with a charger or battery, additionally, the brushless motor ensures faster cutting speeds at up to 4,000 strokes per minute, making it ideal for quick, clean trimming. Number 13, Bosch D-Tect 200C wall and floor scanner. This wall and floor scanner utilizes advanced radar technology to not only detect objects within walls, but also identify their specific materials, such as wires, metal fittings, plastic pipes, and wooden posts. With a scanning depth of 8 inches, it offers 4 different display modes to suit various situations. The intuitive interface makes operations straightforward, and a particularly useful feature is leak detection, allowing you to pinpoint pipe leaks without needing to tear down walls. The scanner also has screenshot capabilities, enabling you to save and transfer scan results to your computer via USB-C or SD card for further analysis. Compatible with Bosch's 12-volt batteries, the scanner comes with a 2.0 ampere-hour battery, charger, USB cable, and a soft case for easy storage. Number 12, Airless Spray Gun. This paint sprayer is built for precision, making it ideal for tackling tricky areas like corners and spaces under ceilings during construction projects. Equipped with a rotating wheel, it prevents paint from spilling over designated boundaries, ensuring crisp, clean lines and a polished finish without the need for touch-ups. Constructed from durable tungsten steel, the sprayer weighs just 444 grams, providing a lightweight yet robust design for easy handling. It is compatible with a 7/8 inch air connection, allowing for versatile use and efficient application across various surfaces, from walls to ceilings and more. Number 11, Sandblaster Gun Kit, an effective tool for thoroughly cleaning surfaces, removing rust, paint, grime, and other residues. It's particularly valuable in car body repair, as the pressurized sand can strip away corrosion, even from hard-to-access areas. By simply attaching it to an air compressor, this gun becomes a complete sandblasting station. The sand is loaded into a small container on top of the gun, and the feed can be easily adjusted. Customers appreciate the fast delivery from the seller. This sandblaster excels at rust removal, paint stripping, and prepping surfaces, and comes with a full kit to tackle various tasks. It features a durable ceramic nozzle for smooth media flow and long-lasting use. Compact and portable, it's ideal for detailed projects and can handle different blasting media. Number 10, Ryobi Cutoff Tool. Cutoff machine is designed to cut a variety of materials, including metal, plastic, tile, pipe, wire shelving, drywall, cement board, PVC, and vinyl siding. Its small, lightweight design, 8.5 inches, allows for one-handed operation, making it perfect for cutting in tight spaces. Despite its compact size, it features a powerful brushless motor that offers greater efficiency, longer runtime, and enhanced power compared to traditional motors. With speeds up to 20,000 revolutions per minute, it delivers quick and precise cuts. As part of the Ryobi One Plus family, it is compatible with the same 18-volt batteries used in over 225 other One Plus tools. Number 9, Self-Centering Hole Drill. Drilling a perfectly straight hole at a right angle can be tricky, especially if you're not a professional, and particularly when working with smooth surfaces where the drill bit tends to slip off course at the beginning. This device isn't just an accessory for a drill or screwdriver. It's a valuable aid when working with either tool. You simply guide the drill through the holes in the fixture, and the rubber bumpers ensure it stays on course. It also makes drilling at corners of boards, walls, and other surfaces easier and more accurate. The fixture comes with holes for 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter sizes. Number 8, Novak Power Tube Bender, designed to quickly bend copper and other soft metal pipes with ease. By simply pressing a button, it allows for accurate and efficient bending to the desired angle. It comes with settings to specify the pipe diameter and bending angle, ensuring precise results. The tool's powerful motor accommodates pipe diameters from 1/4 inch to 7/8 inch. Weighing only 12.9 pounds and being battery operated, it is both portable and convenient. The battery supports at least 100 bends per charge, and the fast charging station can fully recharge it in just 30 minutes. Number 7. CZI Electric Car Jack. This electric car jack can lift up to 5 tons, designed mainly for lifting cars, but also offering extra functions like a signal lamp, air pump, and LED light. Powered by a 180 watts motor, it operates within a height range of 6.1 to 17.7 inches, allowing you to lift vehicles weighing around 2 tons in just a few minutes with ease. Along with the jack, you receive an electric impact wrench, which comes with 2 sets of interchangeable heads for 17 to 19 millimeters and 21 to 23 millimeters bolts. The impact wrench delivers a maximum tightening torque of 450 nanometer and an unscrewing torque of 350 nanometer. The built-in air pump efficiently inflates tires, and it includes 2 special nozzles. Number 6. Flexible drill bit. Removing a stubborn nut is not always a quick or easy task, especially when it's so tight that you can't even fit a wrench. This adapter is designed to help in such situations. It's not only flexible, but also long enough to serve as an extension for a ratchet. Built to withstand heavy loads, it can be used to remove even the oldest, rustiest nuts, but be careful not to use it with a ratchet to prevent damage. The extension can be connected to an electric drill or screwdriver for convenience, or twisted manually if you prefer. The main advantage of this adapter is its versatility, with various sizes available in both diameter and length, the longest being 300 millimeters. Number 5. Home Siding Installation Kit. The siding mounting kit is designed for installing vinyl and fiber cement siding. It features a convenient clamping mechanism that allows you to secure it with one hand, enabling you to work independently without needing help from others. This design ensures the board is held at the correct height and maintains precise spacing between rows, thanks to its special adjustment increments. Made from durable plastic with a rubber insert, the tool provides a secure grip on the board while preventing damage to the siding surface. It is compatible with 5/16" thick siding, including the popular James Hardie HZ5 series, and allows for quick, precise installation of fiber cement boards up to 12 feet long. Number 4. Blind Mark. This is an essential tool that simplifies the process of installing electrical boxes. Compact and easy to use, it removes the need for complex measurements and precise markings on plasterboard walls. Just place the magnetic marks in the correct locations, point the tool at them, and the strong magnets will guide you in making an accurate cut. This drywall electrical box locator tool is a time-saving solution that helps avoid costly mistakes. No more worrying about incorrect measurements or damaging expensive drywall. Simply set the marks and follow the tool's instructions for perfect results. It's a unique kit that ensures precision in electrical installations. Number 3. Ryobi Sweeper features 2 large 53 centimeters brushes that rotate towards each other, efficiently sweeping debris into the 17-liter container. It's capable of handling everything from fine dust to heavy construction waste, making it perfect for use in workshops, garages, patios, or around the house. Whether you're cleaning up nails, screws, wood scraps, plastic, or leaves, this sweeper can tackle it all. Its telescopic handle adjusts to your height for comfort, and it's turned on and off with a simple foot press, eliminating the need for unnecessary movements. The transparent waste container is easy to detach and lets you see when it's time to empty. The sweeper can be stored upright with the handle folded down, taking up very little space. Number 2. Quick Lift Jack. This jack is built to lift objects weighing up to 330 pounds, enabling you to handle various tasks independently and save time. It offers a maximum lifting height of 10 inches with fine incremental adjustments. This jack is not only useful for lifting heavy items, but also for leveling them, such as during window or door installations, or for holding appliances and furniture at a precise height. It's also great for laying floor coverings like tongue and groove boards, ensuring a secure fit. Constructed from durable alloy steel, the jack operates with a trigger mechanism, and once you're done, the quick release feature allows for easy removal. Number 1. Chikitech Handheld Inkjet Printer. Now we have the Chikitech Handheld Inkjet Printer that offers a portable solution for printing on a wide range of surfaces such as cardboard, stone, wood, metal, glass, and pipes. It's ideal for labeling or marking purposes, and it operates in English by default. At just 1.28 pounds, the device is lightweight and features a 2800 mAh battery for extended use. To use, simply choose your content, press the printer to the material, pull the trigger, and slide it across. With its quick drying ink cartridges and 4.3-inch touchscreen, it easily handles printing of text, dates, images, or barcodes with efficiency. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.